In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync up the headlight flicker to any audio or song you want, like this. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I have the cover and the audio. Select the cover, let's bring it down, create a new comp. And I'm going to change this to fit so we can see it for now. Let's go to the audio, bring that, place it on top of the cover. Right click, keyframe assistant, convert audio to keyframe. When you expand this, you see the keyframes right there. I'm gonna close it for now. Let's right click, new, adjustment layer. Let's go here to the effect and preset. If you don't see this, just go to window, make sure that's checked. And just type in levels, drag that, you could drop it on top of the adjustment layer, and let's increase the highlights, kind of like that, darken the shadow. So I'm going to bring this up to 50 so we can see it. Change this to full, and go ahead and continue darkening the shadow, kind of like that. Now let's select the pen tool up here. Let's create a mask around the headlights. Same thing for the right. And let's go down here to the adjustment layer, expand that, expand the mask. Mask 1, mask 2. So let's change the feather to 50. Same thing for the mask number 2, change that to 50. Hit T, it'll bring up the opacity, and let's expand the audio keyframe, expand the both channel. Now let's go back up to the adjustment layer, hold Alt, select this, we're going to drag this onto the slider. So when you play this, it should sync up with the audio.